Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to log out of Snapchat. So to log out of Snapchat, open the Snapchat app. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left corner. Next, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Now once you're here, scroll all the way to the bottom until you see log out, then tap log out. Now if it will say you should verify a number in case you forget your password, so just click verify number or not now. So you can do that later. Then click log out to confirm the action. So once you click that, you'll be logged out of your Snapchat account.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
So just wait for it to process. And that's basically it. So that's how you can log out of Snapchat. So again, just open Snapchat, click your profile icon in the top left corner, then go to settings in the top right, then scroll down to the bottom and tap log out and click log out to confirm the action. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.